Today, I'm going to show you how to add text in Photopea, step by step, in a super simple way. Whether you want to create a title, a caption, a banner, or a full text block, Photopea makes it easy once you know where the tools are. And the best part is, you can do all of this right in your browser without installing anything. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. All right, let's jump into it. First, look at the toolbar on the far left side of the screen. This is where most of Photopea's main tools are located. To add text, you need to select the Type tool, which is the icon that looks like the letter T. You can click it directly, or if you want a faster shortcut, just press T on your keyboard. Once you do that, Photopea is ready for you to place text on the canvas. Now, before you start typing, it's important to understand that Photopea gives you two different text placement options. The first is perfect for short lines, titles, or single words. This is called point text. To use it, simply click once anywhere on your canvas. After you click, Photopea creates a text line that grows as you type. This is great for headlines, labels, and anything that should stay in one line or mostly one line. The second option is better for paragraphs, notes, or larger text blocks. This is called area text. To use this, click and drag on your canvas to draw a rectangular text box. Once you release the mouse, Photopea creates a text frame. When you type inside it, the words automatically wrap to the next line inside the boundaries of the box. This is very useful if you're making posters, social graphics, thumbnails, or designs that need paragraph-style text. After you choose your text placement mode, go ahead and type the text you want using your keyboard. You can write anything you need, like a title, a quote, a product name, or a description. Once the text is on the canvas, you can highlight it and start changing how it looks. At the top of the screen, directly below the main menu, you'll see the options bar. This is where all the main text settings live. One of the first things you can adjust is the font family. Click the font name drop-down menu to browse through Photopea's built-in fonts. If you already have your own font file, you can also load custom fonts using the Load Font button. That means you're not limited to basic default fonts if you want a more unique style. Next, you can change the style of the text. Depending on the font family, you may see options like regular, bold, italic, or medium. This is a great way to make your text stand out or match the look of your design. For example, bold text is perfect for titles, while italic text can give your design a more elegant or creative feel. You can also adjust the size. Photopea gives you a slider or a value box where you can enter a pixel size manually. So if you want your text to be larger, smaller, or just the right size for your layout, this is where you do it. A setting like 50 pixels is a good starting point, but you can always fine-tune it depending on your project. If you want to change the color, click the colored rectangle box in the top bar. This opens the color picker where you can select any shade you want. Whether you need white text on a dark background, bold red for emphasis, or a brand-specific color, the color picker gives you full control. You can also adjust alignment. This lets you set your text to align left, center, or right. Alignment is especially important when working with text blocks because it helps your design look clean and balanced. For example, center alignment works well for posters and thumbnails, while left alignment is often better for paragraphs or informational designs. After your text is typed and styled the way you want, don't forget this next step because it's important. To confirm and commit the text, you need to exit text editing mode. You can do that by clicking the checkmark icon on the far right side of the top options bar. Or if you prefer keyboard shortcuts, press Ctrl and Enter on Windows or Command and Enter on Mac. This saves your text changes and applies them to the document. After that, if you want to move the text to a different spot on the canvas, just press V to switch to the Move tool. Then click and drag the text block wherever you want it. This makes it easy to position your text perfectly in your design after you've finished editing it. And that's it. Now you know how to add text in Photopea, format it, and move it around your design with ease. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical design tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.